lot of insights, with the AI tools, and it was like amazing. There are certain things that we have not tried so far, so it was like very interesting, and yes, it has given a lot of roadmap to explore new things and new ideas, and maybe it is just a simplified way of putting your expertise into presentations, or maybe you can develop your skills. Well, like your presentation, maybe your vocabulary if required, or maybe the way you put things in place. So you use the way the market requires, or the way somebody requires. It is easy using the tools. Yes, you can put yourself in a better position.
Thank you so much, Satish, and start using these tools. Start creating, empowering yourself. I think this would
Yes,
definitely
yes.
help you.